Healthy male testicles can produce about 500 million sperm cells daily. Normally, a healthy woman can give birth to about 35 babies in her lifetime. They may be small, but there are a lot of them. What sperm cells may lack in size, they certainly structure foreign numbers. Providing sperm count is healthy. Each male ejaculation contains tens of many sperm, with as many as 100 million new cells being produced every single day. That's quite a lot of sperm, especially once you consider that it only takes a single one to make a body. That's quite a lot of sperm, especially once you consider that it only takes a single one to make a baby. Normally, sperm and ovum are about 0.03 to 0.05 millimeter long. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe.